Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your WordPress app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, so you just click on settings here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, just keep going down, then you click on apps. You come to apps list. Indeed, you're looking for WordPress app. You just click on search. Then here add WordPress, you just click on it. You come to next here, then you click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. You come to storage this here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store here. You just click here on your Play Store. Then it's going to take you to this list here. You search for WordPress, you will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.